So today we're going to strip it back to the bare bones and do something really basic. I'm going to show you how to cook boiled rice. The reason being is you can go and buy a kilo bag, 52 pence, and save yourself an absolute fortune. No more microwave rice packets. So the ratio I always use for rice is a 1:2 ratio, which is 1 part rice to 2 parts cooking water. For example, on this, I'm going to use 300 grams of rice, 600 millilitres of water. And it's as simple as that. So we'll start off by measuring out the rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash this rice. We want to remove any of the excess starch on the rice. So I've swilled through that a couple of times, and as you can see, the water's starting to get a little bit more clearer the more we do it. Right, so we've got the 300 grams of washed rice. Going to get it straight into the pot. And then with the 2:1 ratio, we've got 600 mils boiling water. Dip that in. I'm going to lower the temperature on this because we really want it on a very, very gentle simmer. The second you see it bubbling away just slightly, lid on. We're going to let that bubble away now, 10 minutes. Right, that's been going for 10 minutes now. I'm going to turn the heat completely off. Grab ourselves some tin foil. Lid off. Wrap it up, trap all that steam in there, lid back on, set a timer once again now, 15 minutes, and after the 15 minutes is up, you're going to have beautifully cooked fluffy rice, all being well. So this has been steaming for 15 minutes now, and it is now time for the grand unveiling. So here we go, look at all that steam escaping. It's all about just a matter of just fluffing it up now, and what we should have is just lovely, perfectly cooked, fluffy rice. So I spent 52p on a kilo bag of rice. I probably use about a third of it, so we're looking at under 20 pence for all that rice.